Hello and welcome. In this video, we will create an event-driven JavaScript program to convert temperature to and from Celsius Fahrenheit. So as we know, the formula is Celsius by 5 is equivalent to Fahrenheit minus 32 by 9. So here we are taking two variables C and F. C stands for Celsius and F stands for Fahrenheit. So we'll start by creating a user interface. For that purpose, we have taken two input boxes. One input box is having ID C, and on key up we are calling function convert. So this convert function will be the actual function where this conversion will be done. Then again there is another text box or input box as you call it, F, where on key up we are giving the same function with F as parameter. So here C is a parameter and here F is the parameter. Then this is the JavaScript code. So if the key is pressed in the input box with ID C, then it will call convert function with C as parameter. So this degree will take value as C. Now here you can see we have declared a variable X to calculate the value of Fahrenheit. So if C is there, that it means value of Celsius is given and we need to find value of Fahrenheit. So here we are giving the formula to calculate Fahrenheit. This is the formula. For that we will take input from the input box C with ID C. We will take value using document.getElement by ID, and we will multiply it by 9 and divide it by 5, and then we'll add up with 32. So whatever value comes will be set in the next input box, which is this one, Fahrenheit one. Okay, then if you are using this on key up function in the second input box, then again same procedure will be followed. This convert function will be given parameter as F. Because here degree is F, it will ignore this if loop, it will go to this if loop, or you can call it else loop. You can give it else part here also. Then again we have Fahrenheit value, and from this we will calculate Celsius. For that we will take the value of Fahrenheit, subtract 32 from it, multiply by 5 and divide by 9. Whatever value comes will be set in the first input box, that is the Celsius one. So now let's save this file. Saving it with .html extension and saving as type all files. Click on save. Now you can see this file is created on the desktop. Double click this. So if I enter some value here, so you can see on the key up, whenever you press a key, it will call the function and immediately it will calculate the Fahrenheit value and display it here. So here also if I enter any value, so on key up, whatever value you put, at the same time it will calculate the Celsius value and display in the first input box. Thank you.